Tired of dinner chaos? What if 1 hour could unlock a week of healthy, mouth-watering meals? Say goodbye to stress and hello to 5 game-changing meal prep hacks that'll save your time, wallet, and wellness goals. Hack number 1. Protein Power. Grill a tray of chicken or tofu in one go. Studies say this cuts takeout cravings by 40%. Your salads and bowls are set all week. Hack number 2. Veggie Vibes. Slice up peppers, carrots, and broccoli ahead. Store them airtight for instant snacks or meal boosts. Freshness guaranteed. Hack number 3. Grain Goals. Cook quinoa or brown rice in bulk. Perfect for quick bowls or breakfasts. Healthy eating, no hassle. Hack number 4. Smoothie Magic. Pre-pack fruits, spinach, and protein powder in freezer bags. Blend with water or milk for a fast nutrition hit.
Hack number 5, leftover love, transform last night's roast into tomorrow's salad. Want more? Aratahap's got recipes, tracking, and meal plans to make healthy your new superpower. Download it now.